Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05 and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to storage section. So now we go to like this device care, then we go storage, switch from internal storage to SD card, tap here on 3 dots and select format. Then confirm, and after a few seconds SD card will be fully formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.